Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to replace all-wheel drive front axle differential oil. According to BMW, this oil is lifetime, but as per my personal maintenance schedule, I change it every 90,000 kilometers. Lift the car and remove engine's underbody protection. Remove reinforcement plate. Use hex 14 socket and a small extension to unscrew the fuel plug. Unscrew the drain plug and don't forget to close the receptacles valve, otherwise you'll end up with an oil mess like myself. Блять. Screw in the new drain plug and torque it down to the spec. It comes with a new gasket, that's why it should be replaced. Use original Hypoid Axle Oil G2. The quantity of one bottle is 500 milliliters and you need something like 600 to 700 milliliters for the complete oil change. I use a hand pump for this kind of oil changes. Pump in the oil using the upper fill plug until the oil starts dripping. Replace the fill plug with a new one and torque it down to the spec. There is no need of replacing the reinforcement plates bolts. Assemble everything back. That's it, and thanks for watching.